Break ID number 933. 2016 Black Gold Football 1-box break. This one has 2 fillers, one good for 3 spots and one good for 2. Here is the first one. This one's good for 3. Bradley, Evan, and Isaac. Go. Evan, FR. And the next one for 2 spots. Isaac and Miles. Go. And Miles, KY. All right. Here's the alphabetical list. And let's randomize each side 3 times. $16 left in Preferred Basketball, 11 left in Origins, a couple fillers, and anything that's gone for tomorrow we can do tonight also. There are your teams, and Evan, FR, gets his PC Dallas Cowboys. So that spot for Evan is free. He gets that credited to his account right now. All right, here we go. Walter Payton to 225. Very nice short print patch, 3-color dual patch Russ Wilson and CJ Procise, 4 of 5. Very nice short print card. To Seattle, David, KU. Like that one. And metallic marks, 36 of 99, Leonte Carew. To Miami. If I can find them. Jeff, BA. And quad quad patch, 29 of 49, Leonte Carew, Chris Moore, Moritz Boehringer, and Ricardo Lewis. And we'll randomize that between the Dolphins, Ravens, Vikings, and Browns. And franchise gold, Earl Thomas, Richard Sherman, Cam Chancellor. To 225 and to Seattle. David, KU. Emmett Smith to 25. Dallas, that's Evan, FR, in that free spot. Drew Brees to 225. And Sterling Shepard, jumbo jersey. To 199. The Giants, Bradley, DA. And, oh, I like this one. Gold Strikes autograph. On card, beautiful looking card. 22 of 99, Marshall Faulk. I like that one. To the Colts. Robert, M.I. Go Hawks. 2 Hawks. That's a nice card, Robert. And the last card, triple jersey, DeAndre Washington. To Oakland. Miles, KY. Are you a Hawks fan, Keith? Are you a Seahawks fan? Do you have your favorite teams in there? All right, let's do the random for this quad. Just give me 1 second. All right, so here's the random. Jeepers. All right, hold on. All right, there's the random for the quad. These are the 4 teams in it. I'll randomize this 3 times, and whoever's on top will get the quad. 1, 2, 3. To the Vikings. Evan, FR. All right, so let me see how the others are doing. All right, 16 left in preferred basketball, 11 left in Origins football, 2-box break. Stuff for tomorrow that's getting down there that we could do tonight. Select basketball. There are 2 breaks, one with 7 left, one with 9 left. Those are buy one, get 2 free. And clearly authentic baseball has 9 left.